Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I'm putting on my face again, and I thought, oh, by the way, here's this cute little shirt that I hauled the other day. See how it's got the stripes down the arms, and then it goes to polka dots and like this, kind of like a, what do you call, jaggered. And it's a handkerchief, hem, meaning it's little points down, but it looks really cute. It's gonna look really cute with, why am I saying so much? I don't know. Yeah, how y'all doing? Y'all finally found a use for this gold gray. Usually I wear silver gray, like this. See the silver gray? This is the gold gray. Because I thought this bracelet had all the colors of this top, but then I'm wearing silver earrings. So, because look, they've got the little like polka dots on them that this does. Do you see? So, I'm trying to be all matchy-matchy, and then I'm mixing silver and gold. What do y'all think? Comment below about mixing silver and gold. How's everyone doing? Y'all, excuse me, but my nose is running. It's not boogies. It's not like, you know, yuckies. It's just running. And it makes me wonder, hay fever. So I've already moisturized. And I'm using the tail end of this Perfection Lumiere Velvet in. Hey, do y'all see that big hair? It is a fairly new brush. I just got it a few days ago. Look at that. Look at how much just came out. And that was a goner. See, always stick it upside down and see how much more you can get out of it, especially the expensive makeups. Don't just say, I'm done, because it starts going, because that just means there's some air got down in there. Air got down. Do you see how it's red right there, y'all? That's herpes. That's what my eye doctor says, and he is a surgeon. He is a good surgeon on top of that. He's very highly renowned in the area, and he says it's herpes. So I'm back to having herpes. I know some of you are like, Baby Cannon has herpes. It's not that kind. And you shouldn't talk about people like that. I'm just sharing with y'all because I'm real. But we're going to go right over it. He said it's not like spreading, so it's not like I'm spreading it all over my face or anything like that, but doing my makeup over it, because I told him, can I still wear makeup? He's so sweet. He's like, yes. I think he likes it that when women look like women. He's an older gent with older values. There we go. Getting a crutch to the nose real good so you don't have those marks. And then I'm just going to make sure this is all well blended. Well blended. Close your mouth, Bethany. Huh. I feel like I just did this. I wonder if it's the new, that niacin, or niacin, however they're pronouncing it, because it has niacin in it. I don't know. I'm wondering if that has something to do with how my makeup's laying, because it felt like I had to go over it and it had brush marks, which I don't almost ever have. This is a new brush though. And elongate your face. Go right by that ear and run down. And the good news for me is I'm perfectly matched color on this, I think. When I blend down, you almost can't see anything. Except this little bruise from where I had my little biopsy done. And if y'all pray, I ask that you would pray for me. If that biopsy comes back and it says, we're nothing. We're nothing. Okay. What am I doing? I'm kind of packing it into the pores. Is what all this is doing. Oh, and then I need my little cloth. I need to just keep it right in front of me while I'm doing my makeup. I keep it in that drawer over there of the desk because I'm thinking it's just like more neat when I'm finished. Can y'all believe that much extra makeup? This has been like the third or fourth time since it went, like there was none left in there. And there was. It was, no, don't be telling a lie now. Alright, and we're going to use the blush from the Sigma Blush Palette. And I really did like it the other day. I used a darker color. Today I'm not going to do that. I used this darker rose. I'm going to mix a little bit of these two together. Get kind of a, well, we'll just use the contour as it's meant. This is the Corta Rosa, and we're going to use the butt, the short end of a large angled contour brush from Sigma, and we're just going to go right above, right, see where my little indentation is, we're going to go right above that just to highlight it. Because I had kind of chickmonkey cheeks, I'm going to bring it down just a little, right through the chipmunky. And see, I do more of a line straight down. And see how you have the white behind here and here? What that does is it gives you a natural facelift. I may even use a little spiced. That's the little more brown color. A little further back and on the hairline. And when you put it around the hairline, all that does, just make sure you blend it good towards the face. You don't need to use a lot of a dark contour, period. But it does kind of make it look a little more, see how it's a little more, I guess you would say, sunken in. And then I'm going to go back up here to this area and on the bridge of the nose and under the nose a lot. Breathing out so it doesn't go up your nose. Oops, it's a little too dark. And we're doing the bulbous part of my chin and under the chin. And all this does is create a shadow on the fatty. It don't make the fatty go away, y'all. The only thing that makes fatty going away is eating less food. That's it. Eating more often, so that your body doesn't think it's going into starvation mode. And start really packing it away, like storing, because your body knows how to survive. And that's something. Your body knows how to survive. And the blush color I'm going to choose is the pink. I'm going to smile. And just on the apples of the cheeks and up a little. Oops, I went to that dark Nod Mauve. Well, we'll start back there with it. That way the darker part will be back there. And a little bit here. Bridge of the nose, under the nose, follows part of the chin. And that just kind of cleans it off. There. It's a little warmer than usual on the back side. And I'm kind of feeling like this is a cooler palette. What do y'all think? These colors are a little cooler than the norm. I mean, comparing it to like my Carly Bible or this Parts of the Caribbean from Lorac. These are kind of cool too, though. But I kind of feel like I need a little something, something. We'll use this. This is called Bold Spirit in that Lorac palette, and we'll just, it's just a little bit of shimmer. There. Okay. So we've got that part of the face done. Alright, so today what I wanted to do, I've already done my base. I put on a little eyeliner on the waterline, and I've got my lipstick on, and now I've done blush. But I wanted to do that new eye palette from Charlotte Tilbury I just got called, it's funny how I paused to drink my coffee, and you're going, Stars in Your Eyes palette. And here it is. It's a beautiful packaging. It's almost like, what would you say, ruby slippers, crimson. It's got like a deep glitter inside the plastic. It's really pretty, and it's all the writings in rose gold as usual. By the way, the fingernail polish I have got on is a dupe for my favorite all time. It's a pretty good dupe. My favorite all time is Chanel Belle Argus, or Argus, Belagus, like Belarus. I've never figured it out. Looks like it's Belle Argus. $667. And when I went to look online, because Chanel no longer sells it, so I went to eBay, it was something like, you know, you can pay $400 for it. I'm like, what? It's not a collectible. It's something I put on my fingernails. Okay, this is not something you want to save. You want to use it. But I did find a color that is almost identical. I mean, almost identical. It has the purple underhues to it, just like Belargus does. It's a perfect royal blue. And when I say it's a violet blue. It's a true violet blue. And the dupe for it is OPI's Miss Piggy's Big Number. Now, I don't like to think of myself as Miss Piggy, but I guess if I had a big number, I don't know. I don't even know what that means. Oh, I guess her show. Like, this is her big act. And she's putting on her blue fancy. Does she wear a blue dress or something? I don't get it. Anyway, so beautiful. I wish I could get this close enough that it would, you could really see. Let's see if I can't get it to focus there. That you can see the glitter in the palette. It's a red glitter on a crimson background. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. But, it's beautiful. And then inside, I really like that she has, I don't know if you can see the plastic because it's going to reflect 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on the plastic and the names of the colors. And, I know it doesn't say the name of the color. It just says Prime Enhance Smoke. Prime Enhance Smoke. So the first or lightest number is always used for priming, meaning you should put it all over the eye. So we will start with that. So I'm going to take a E25 and from Sigma, and I'm going to use I'm going to use the very first color, which is a matte white. Let's see how white it is. Is it more white or is it more vanilla? I have also put on a shadow primer, and I think this one was Too Faced Shadow Insurance this time.